If you're like most people, you don't get up in the morning and go, oh boy, I get to get my car fixed today. That is not the reaction we get from most people when they come in. They really don't like getting their car fixed. In fact, it's might even be worse than going to the dentist. But anyway, I'm Doug McAllister from Douglas Automotive, and we tried really hard to take the pain out of getting your car repaired. In fact, our mission statement is making auto repair understandable and convenient while reducing the cost of ownership. And we do that in many different ways, but at Douglas Automotive we have really nice waiting rooms. We can take you home, we can get you into a rental car, and we also have technology that our technicians use in the back to take pictures and video of the work that needs to be done, and you are texted a complete list of what it needs and why it needs it. So there's total transparency into the repairs that we make, and we never do any work without you approving it first. So check us out on the web at douglasautomotive.com and come in and see us. Remember, we're the shop your neighbors trust.
Service